Hi everybody, welcome back to Bright School of Money Science, a resource for financial well-being. Today we're going to talk about building your credit, how to repair a low score, and how to build a good one from scratch. Keep in mind your credit score is based on more than credit cards and loans. Your payment history with other bills like utilities, subscription plans, memberships, and even rent can impact your credit score too. Another way to avoid a hit to your credit score, don't apply to more credit cards or loans too often. The industry term for a credit application is a hard inquiry, and when you apply for a new credit card frequently or even request a credit limit increase, lenders view that activity as unstable. They believe it shows you're unable to manage your current debt or you're seeking more credit than you can probably afford. The longer you manage a credit account responsibly, the more confidence you instill in potential creditors. For example, a credit card with years of on-time full payments demonstrates a commitment to good behavior and repaying debts. We've talked about using no more than 30% of your debt. Paying off your debt in full is even better. On your credit report, a fully paid debt shows that you've borrowed money and paid it back successfully. It also lowers your debt burden, minimizing interest fees and improving your utilization ratio. As you budget for your household, include the debt you're carrying and the payments due ahead. Think about your balances throughout the month. Do you rely on your credit to make ends meet? And when you do, how much are you paying in interest charges? If college tuition is ahead or you're planning to buy a home, think about things you can do now to ensure a good credit score when you need it most. That's it for now. Bright's here to help with all kinds of money issues. For more tips, advice, and financial insight, check out Bright School of Money Science. Thanks for watching!